Yeah, so my name is Adam Kaufman, and I work with BigSteelBox. Been with them for about 12 years, and we do portable storage that we rent and sell to customers, but then we also modify them as well.
So what's your position with the company?
So I'm a store manager for about four different locations.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. How many locations are there? Big Steel Box.
There's
Many.
about 25-ish or something
Yeah.
like that. Mostly in BC, Alberta, but we go out to Ontario. So.
Right. Does Big Steel Box, do they go out overseas as well, or do they stay pretty much within the Canadian market?
So we mainly service Canada. The boxes we can sell, and then people can ship them overseas if need be. The new ones come pre-certified for 5 years, so if someone wants to ship them overseas, they can. So.
Right. You do a lot of customization.
Yeah.
What are some big ones that you've done to the mines?
So I would say the most popular for
Oh, sorry.
no worries.
Yeah.
The most popular for mines would be tool cribs, office trailers, lunchrooms, hazmat units, which it stores oil drums and stuff like that.
Right.
And then we've done custom units as well that are wider and longer and taller and that kind of stuff as well. So.
Yeah. How customized does it get? I mean, is there a limit to what you can do?
Not really. I would say, labs are popular in the mining industry, and they can become quite custom. And usually they can be 16 feet wide, where a standard box is 8 feet wide, and they're fully done with, HVAC system and instrumentation and stuff like that. So, they can be e-houses, electronic houses, and stuff like that. So, yeah, we can do simple and then complex. So.
Yeah. Are you seeing more and more portable becoming commonplace? I mean, I've been out to mine sites where they have solid structures that they built. Is there a lot of transition into the portable units now?
Yeah, I would say it's definitely popular for a mine setting. It's quick, it's simple. With a container, you can hook onto it with a crane, move it around site multiple times. You don't have to put a foundation under it. So a mine site being a remote area to begin with,
right.
And it's very popular. And then also, mines might be only running for 20, 30 years, right? So at the end of that time, they can be shipped to wherever. So
right.
So
you're seeing them. That was actually a question I had. Even in these customized ones, you're seeing them actually moving around the sites quite a bit.
Yeah, I would say it's 50-50. Either the box sits and doesn't really move until it's end use, and then the other time, because it's a steel shell, that's the attractiveness to it, is that if you move it, it's quite robust. So we see them moving them quite often for sure. Yeah.
And I guess you would customize them would you customize knowing if they're going to be moved or not? Is that part of that process?
I don't think we would build it different if it was being moved lots or not, because it's an intermobile container.
Right.
They're designed to be moved
right.
with train or ship. So I think when we're done with the product, it can be shipped either way, and if the customer does or not, then that's up to them. But
I have one of my favorite questions to ask is the challenges, because a lot of the podcast that we do is talking about challenges that companies are facing, and obviously as other businesses watch it, they learn in related industries. So what is a challenge a company like BigSteelBox has when selling to mines or customizing or trying to get into markets?
Yeah, I would say for mining, the challenge would be, face-to-face with customers. Quite often the people that are purchasing at mines are at the mine.
Right.
So it's building a relationship through, emails and phone calls and whatnot. And that's why we come to these shows, is to build that relationship with them. But yeah, that would probably be the biggest challenge, is having a face-to-face relationship with someone that is ordering from you all the time, kind of thing.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, I guess that leads me to BigSteelBox is such a well-known brand, especially in BC and Alberta. I mean, everybody knows it.
Yeah.
People that aren't even anything to do with the industry know the brand.
Yeah.
So when you come to a show, you're not so much trying to let people know you exist, but you are trying to get that face-to-face relationship.
Yeah, and then I think also let people know that we're not just BC and Alberta. We are across Canada. So
right.
That would be one message we like to share, is that, if you're a company that has multiple locations across Canada, we we can use our strengths in that area to service you, you know, wherever you might be. So.
Right, I guess you get that message out here because this CIM, it switches back it goes out to Quebec. It goes Montreal, right?
Montreal.
No, Montreal and back. So you get a lot of people coming from back east.
Yep.
So has it been successful? You know, being at the show and getting to know people here.
Yeah, it's been great. It's been a busy 2 days, and you know, we're lots of relationships and lots of opportunities. So.
Yeah. Well, Adam, I know there's everybody here at the show is busy, so I'm not going to pull you in for too long. But
no worries.
thanks for taking the time to stop by.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
Yeah.